Hello and welcome back to this short episode of the Internet of Things in the production. I lately had lunch with a friend of mine, Gernot, and he's also in IT. And we talked about the project, and at one point he said, "So Tom, what is it all about? Why do you need that data?" And this made me think, and I tried to explain him why we are aiming for the data of the machines, and this is what I wanted to give to you as well now, because it's very important. Sometimes when you're stuck in progress, or sometimes when you in the project captured, you lose the focus of the main target. We have a small amount of people who are working with us in the company, and we run one shifted production. So in the evening and at weekends, for example, we going for ghost shifts, which means there is no one in the building, the machines running on their own and producing. The problem is if, for example, a part gets stuck in the machine or in the tool, the machine stops producing and we lose the time of that ghost shift we probably need or would have needed to end production in time. It doesn't happen often, but it can be. And the second thing, and much worse thing, is that if, for example, some of the parameters get out of line, whatever, then it could happen that the machine is running, producing parts, but all of them are false parts or bad parts. So it can happen that we, for example, produce a whole weekend false parts and cannot use any of those. This is the worst thing, because then we lose time and we lose the material. And this was the reason, basically, that I said I want to start that project and see if we can get out the data. First, is the machine running, and second, do we produce good or bad parts? And if we see a difference in the data, then we can call someone to go to the machine and check if everything is alright, or if the parameters have to be refitted, or if the machine can be restarted. And this was the main reason for the whole project. And the next big chapter actually is how can we divide good into bad parts, and how can we see if a good part is a good part. And this I want to give to you in the next video, and for so long I wish you a nice weekend. Cheers!